Hi boys and girls. Today is a very nice day because I am going to teach you how to put four sounds together. Okay, it's very nice. Before that, I tell you, something special for your body. Right? Nowadays you can't go out, so we should have a healthy, fit body. So we all have to exercise. Now see, Puta, I start. I think you know everything. Man danna putala meka okkoma danna baba. ඒ වුණාට මම මේක කියනවා. I talk Sinhala because all of you can't understand English. That's why I use Sinhala. Okay, I start the exercise. How to do? Now see, jump, jump, jump together, jump, jump away. This is the way we exercise. Have a little play. Run, run, run together. Run, run away. This is the way we exercise. Have a little play. Clap, clap, clap together. Clap, clap away. This is the way we exercise. Have a little play. Once again with me. Jump, jump, jump together. Jump, jump away. This is the way we exercise. Have a little play. Run, run, run together. Run, run away. This is the way we exercise. Have a little play. Clap, clap, clap together. Clap, clap away. This is the way we exercise. Have a little play. Okay, I think my kids, now you do that. You can listen several times. පුතාලට දූලට ගොඩාක් සැරයක් දාගෙන අහලා ඕන විදිහට dance කරන්න පුළුවන්. Then your body gets heat. Okay, right. Now I'll start the lesson. This is the sound. Today I'm going to tell you. You know this sound O. This is also O. When two O's get together, it makes the sound O. O දෙකක් ආවම sound එක O. Right? Very easy. Right? Now let's see. I tell you something. You know, I ask, moon, 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 where are you, moon? Oh, I am in the sky. Right? Moon. Where is the moon? It's in the sky. Moon says, where are you, moon? I am in the sky. Right? Boot, boot, boot. Where are you, boot? Your father took me. Boot, boot, where are you? Your father took me. Right? Broom. This is broom. What is this? Broom. Right? Broom, broom, broom. Where are you, broom? I am in the room. Okay? Once again I tell them that oo sounds moon, boot, broom. Moon, moon, moon. Where are you, moon? I am in the sky. Boot, boot, boot. Where are you, moon? Your father took me. Broom, broom, broom. Where are you, broom? I am in the room. Okay? Right. Next, let's make some sounds with the help of this tool. අපි මේ ඌ එකෙන් sounds ටික හදමු බලන්න. පුතාලා ගන්නවනේ දැන් ගොඩාක් sounds එක නිසා ඔක්කොම sounds වල ගන්න. This is oo. O, O, me, oo. M, una, moon. R, room. S, una, soon. L-U-K, look. L-U-K, look. B-U-K, book. T-U-K, took. Z-U-Zoo, Z-U-Zoo. Z-U-M-Zoom, Z-U-M-Zoom. R-U-T, root. B-U-T, boot. F-U-T, foot. Once again, boys and girls, tell with me, okay? Right, let's start. M-U-N, moon. R-U-M, room. S-U-N, soon. W-U-D, wood. H-U-D, hood. F-U-D, foot. L-U-K, look. B-U-K, book. T-U-K, took. Z-U-Zoo, Z-U-M-Zoom. R-U-T, root. B-U-T, boot. F-U-T, food. Okay, let's see. Roo, R-U-Roo. T-U-K, took. B-U-K, books. Roo, took books. L-U-K, look. At, her is his. F-U-T, foot. Foot, look at his foot. M-U-N, moon. Is, moon is. B-I-G, big. Now you know all these sounds. This is a very easy sound. Make a lazy sound එකක් නේ පුතේ. ඔයාලට හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න පුළුවන් එකක්. මම ඉස්සෙල්ලම ගත්තේ 4 sounds කොහොමද එකට දාන්නේ කියලා. උතාලා දැන් දන්නවනේ. ඒක ලස්සනට හොඳට මේවා you have to write them down on your book. Then for some words you can draw pictures. Okay, right, boot, root. What is the root? A tree has roots. Boot, you know your father has boots. When he goes out in the rain, he needs boots, right? Foot, we all have foot. Then, moon, you can draw them. What is this foot? Foot, foot. Foot can put a camera money up in hood. Hood එක ගොඩාක් meanings තියෙනවා. wood, wood. Wood කියන්නේ දන්නව නේද? ගස්වල තියෙන දාර, ලී කොට ඔයවට wood කියන්නේ. You can draw them and then write them. Okay. Now I think this is enough for you, Tuta, because you can't take big lessons. Then so I think to stop from here today, I'll teach you another sound next day. Until then you have to read and do activities with your parents, and please put a comment. පුතාලා කවුරුවත් මේක හොඳට බලන කට්ටිය ඉන්නවා. කමෙන්ට් එකක් දාන්නේ නෑනේ. Please comment. Okay? And thank you for all being with me. And once again, I meet you. Then until then, do this activity. Okay? Bye.